In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send message on Slack using Slack incoming webhook URL, 5 minutes. We're going to set up a Slack app, enable incoming webhooks, and get the unique URL you'll use to post messages into a channel. Before you begin, make sure you have permission to install apps in your Slack workspace. Then open your browser and go to api.slack.com/apps. This is Slack's developer dashboard where all apps are created and managed. On that page, click Create an App. When prompted, choose from scratch. This option gives you a clean slate and full control over the app's features. Give your app a clear descriptive name, something that makes sense to your team, and then select the Slack workspace where you want this app to live. If you don't see your workspace, you might need to sign in or request permission from a workspace admin. Confirm your choices to create the app. You'll land on your app's settings. In the left sidebar, look for the Features section. This is where you turn on capabilities for your app. Click Incoming Webhooks, then toggle the feature on. Incoming webhooks let external tools send messages into Slack via a simple, secure URL. Turning this on prepares your app to create those URLs. Next, click Add New Webhook to Workspace. Slack will prompt you to choose where messages should post. Pick the channel that should receive these messages. Choose a dedicated channel if you want to keep automated updates organized. And remember that you can add more webhooks for other channels later if needed. Click Allow to grant the app permission to post in that channel. Slack will now generate a unique webhook URL for the channel you selected and display it in the incoming webhooks page for your app. Copy this URL. Treat it like a secret. Anyone with this URL can post to that channel, so store it securely in a password manager or as an environment variable in your application. Avoid pasting it into public docs, screenshots, or code repositories. If you ever suspect it's exposed, you can return here to disable the existing webhook and create a new one. That's it. You've created a Slack app, enabled incoming webhooks, authorized a channel, and obtained the secure URL you'll use to post messages. With this setup complete, you're ready to integrate it into your tools or automations and start sending messages programmatically.